Marcus gave me that daily shipping and it never done it. So I don't know how to complete. You know, we have to complete the mission there. Yes. Yeah, man, but we have to complete the mission there. Yeah. So I say, yes. Yeah, man. Open up the ship company and build a ship because you want to repatriate and go Africa, you know.
So you're going?
I repatriate in New York, me I go. Anytime I repatriate in New York, twice. New York. Yeah, man. Anytime I repatriate, man, I want to pack a bag and let no! You know some man in New York.
But everybody a repatriate. All on the wall, look what going on. So we're in the kitchen, cooking chicken, make it work. Work, tower. Bling bling.
Yeah.
Jeez. All these colors, you know, say.
You know shit here, everybody's talking about it, you know, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
But through the match Saturday, you couldn't get to come and view around here, man. So wait there, so colors, the sheet of bow, sheet of B.
God, yeah. And this is what I'm gonna put on tomorrow now.
Sure.
Yeah, we're gonna put on this one tomorrow.
But colors, but wait, the last time you have one Louis Vuitton.
The blue. Yeah, I want this to it was a blue one.
Oh, the one you have on B.
This is a red one.
So that this have on the B pan, so this a Louis beat the man. Yeah. Oh, so that one name Louis beat the man.
Oh my God.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
Put in some. We have natural in the building.
Water there, as usual.
Yeah, water is here.
As usual, no?
Long time not go on the side.
Yeah. I think I'll some work in there, man.
Yeah, very long time. So it's the new year now.
Yeah.
You know, the journey continues.
Yeah.
You know, and this is where I started from again.
Yeah.
You know, a natural I kick it off. Yeah. You know, Baja is on the road. You know, still I make ends meet. Yeah. So you don't know we are a team. So
yeah, man.
We shall continue.
Present,
yeah.
We still can continue the journey same way.
Same way.
Keep up the momentum, you know?
Yeah, the donors them been looking forward to it.
Yeah.
A good thing right. Father God. Send natural come now. Yeah. You know, if you know say it's there if help steer the ship.
Yeah man, yeah man.
So real, you know, unbalance. So yes, as you can see natural.
Alright, what do you know? Where the fall we might get there? The fall for card it
I card this also.
No, card this, but not for card it. Oh, I finish all this. I finish what I want now.
Okay.
I put the board there. So.
Yeah, that's good there.
I finish all this. I finish what I'm black. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black. Keep it kind of down here, no?
Yeah.
Don't know.
See.
Start from this. Oh, a long piece of board. A long piece of board there, sir.
Mother Teresa.
Hi donors, Happy New Year. See we're going on the journey back again.
Yeah man. We continue the milestone, no?
Yeah.
Yeah man, we take out the button from where it is.
Yeah.
And start again.
Yeah, start again.
The momentum from here, sir.
Yeah.
No?
It's a pick up paper. So I pick up where we left off from.
Yeah man, real thing man. Listen, bring one long board here, come. I make a scaffold so we can finish the blackness one. This one, this is for black up. So I catch the fire, because the fire starts up. The boiler starts 7 on the fire. 7 on the fire. So watch it.
So yeah, so many students is not present yet. So them actually never come to class. Yeah.
The card, tell the customer when come forget the card line from the card line from card. I want the card line.
Okay.
The card line there. Cause it's this now. This too short, man.
That's too short.
Yeah, we have to line up on this so. Set in our doing down this so. For the fall, get the card line little from card lady. The card line. That's the one the card line. I see this and the fall.
Shovel.
Here, so where is the part of what I say? The part of the veranda part?
Yeah. So I come to you, sir.
I come to you,
yeah.
sir? Oh, so the father come. Father come here, sir.
Cause that space here I go back to out here, sir.
So the butter board. So the butter board, something Badger put on point. Butter board, Badger put on point. So this is narrow out in the concrete. So this one's, I put on the butter board with a black point. 2x4 point. That's a 2x4. You know what? You don't have a little on the building. Put a shot there up on the building. I want a little.
You want a little?
Yeah, I want a little. Short thing where we can use it.
Yeah.
Some can use it and catch a little off of it. But yes, but this is the original part you can use. See that?
Oh, okay. Oh, that's why I have the bolt tonight.
That's why the bolt there. So when I put on the bolt point, bolt on the bolt.
Oh, okay, yeah.
The car that type on this now, we go straight up back to this. See how we have episode 2 before. And the box in nail on, so we can put on one more or three more block, 3 block come down the line. And I hit them.
Yeah.
I can do it.
So you already see the plan?
Yeah, man.
A part of the vision, because a part of the talent one have, you can see where they work.
Anything a man left off, you can see it.
You can see it when left from. Okay.
If you shall get claw bar. A bar drive it?
Claw bar.
The claw bar.
Yeah, we have bar, man. We have whole part, like the crowbar them.
Crowbar?
Yeah. We have that as well.
Come on, take down this. I want this and I want the one there. Because I want the time. One.
Yeah.
If I have a strength.
We have more than one bar.
And cast off all this. All the brother one, you can drop in all this, you know. And then mix up and full up this, you know.
Yeah.
Get out the stairs, you know.
Yeah.
Right now, nail it up.
Yeah, we have box already.
We have box already, man. We have boxing, so we can do that and take off that. Nail up on the outside and nail on the one here. The one you can do the work. This one. I have 2. Simple.
Yeah.
And we're going to clear. So, you can get out this while somebody mix up some material.
Yeah.
And while I get some material to do some work. So we have boxing, you can do the thing. So you try to get the thing balanced so you can move on.
Yeah.
Stay the stage and get the thing straight now. Why are you nail this stuff?
Yeah. No. I check over car. Check over car. Bram now come here. Yeah.
I think you can go over your stuff with it.
The leather?
I'm moving up on the middle, I think you can find.
I'm going to tell him. I tell him to bring a leather come.
Yeah, I'm falling with it, because I need it.
Yeah. Board one. Alright, so we're back in the kitchen. Cooking chicken. We're over there cooking curry, what? chicken. And the raw chef there, so we do who?
Aki, you know.
Aki. You don't say national dish?
Yeah, second national dish, you know.
Second, come here, wait for you that one there.
Yeah, second national dish, you know.
Not the first.
Yeah.
Not the first.
I know it's second national dish. Nanny and Marcus Garvey done telling us that chicken back was the #1 meat in Jamaica them time there.
Yeah.
The chicken back. You see me I say, I never used to get fowl because people used to raise their own fowl, you know.
Yeah.
Own country fowl, you know. But the chicken back, we used to get the chicken back. You see me I say?
Yeah.
And the saltfish, you know. Yeah, them used to use the saltfish and married with all certain things. And the 80s, me I tell you about, you know.
So with this, wow chef, so we hear me I say. So which history class you learn all them things? Because some of the time...
I don't really history class more time, you know? Yeah. And I'm sure you, I'm watch history. My history channel, I'm still them showing them things.
Okay, so
yeah,
you're not going to find it in the school, you're going to find it on the channel.
No, because I'm hide them party from where school. You see me I said, them hide them party from where school in terms of cow jump over the moon.
Yeah.
Dish on away with the spoon, all them something. Never see a cow jump over the moon, you know? Yeah, you know?
So you never get the chance to see that cow there.
Yeah, but now, everything I come out now, so them start showing everything I'm barely. You see me I say? Yeah, man. And them time, then I tell you.
And so with the
Bustamante build them house there, you know.
Which one? Them one, you know?
Yeah, them house, Bustamante build them, you know.
Okay.
But people might rebuild them back over now.
Okay, so now take them.
So
you say you take them out of the Bustamante style and bring them in the Marcus Garvey style now.
Marcus Garvey that build the ship and it never done it, so I know it's a complete, you know, we have to complete the mission there. Yeah man, but we have to complete the mission there.
Yeah.
I say,
yes,
yeah man, open for the ship company and build a ship because you want to repatriate and go Africa, you know.
So you go in?
Repatriate and New York, me I go. Anytime I repatriate and New York, twice. Yeah man. Anytime I repatriate man, I want to pack a bag of it. No! You know some man in New York.
When everybody are repatriate, wall on the wall, look what going on. So we're in the kitchen cooking chicken, make it work. Work that work.
Beautiful.
So we're baking chicken. My bake some and a curry some. Whoa.
Nah, doing an oil.
Oliver, see the Oliver? We're there you go and bake now. Not jerky, my bake.
Different.
So this now, don't joke the chicken.
Yeah, see it? See my father? No joking right now. Chicken start get joke.
Alright. And worm is a easy learner, a very quick learner.
Chicken start get joke now my father. See it?
Jeez. Boy, I'm gonna eat chicken.
Sweet.
KFC, you know, nothing upon you on the road chef right now. See it there. Alright, Oliver one there. Go see that one here.
Sweet one this one.
I forgot show them some of the picture them Oliver said me about all the man thing they film.
Oliver man.
Yeah man.
Second national dish right now.
Yeah. They say the Aki on the side. And you know say, guess who we have to big up?
Yeah man.
Not once but twice again, you know. It's nice Donna.
Nice Donna.
Yes, it's nice Donna again providing me again. You know, nice Donna, she never stopped doing it.
Nice Donna.
Why?
Remember how we eat nice again?
I was a
Nice
sweet.
and peas and chicken.
Yeah. The nice and peas.
And the national dish. Oh.
The nice and peas.
Boy, nice Donna. Boy, Donna, you're nice.
She nicer than the peas, right?
Boy, you're nice, me I tell you, you know. Sweet like honey, you know.
Yeah, you know. Yes, yeah, that
I
is
said nice, you know. I said nice. Nice, you know.
Nice,
Beautiful.
nice. Yeah. With a nice art.
And your heart. And your soul, you know.
Sure. Nice Donna from the UK.
UK, nice Donna from the UK.
Big up, you know.
Big up yourself,
Yeah, so see, so curry, Roman said the curry has simmered down, so you know we have,
big up London, you know.
see it there.
Big up nice friend of London.
So see the nice now, so
you know.
so we have the chicken, we have bacon, we have the chicken, we have curry.
Cheese, you know, everything.
Yes, everything in there, red, green and gold.
Simmer down tight. Curry ready, and then now we have the pumpkin rice on the side. Said we.
Yeah.
Shortly, I go see natural.
So I say, wow, chef color night, man. So yeah, red, green,
Everything
and
the own.
coffee night, you know.
Coffee night, we get the flavor of the people. Nice, you know. Natural.
See, nice, Donna. It's all nice, Donna.
See, madong it, see, madong, you know.
Yeah, it's all nice, Donna. It's all nice. It's all nice. All them. See, they're working in the kitchen, making the curry work with the chicken. There we go. It's a yellow and thing. Big up yourself, nice, Donna, all the way from the UK. Always make it
nice,
work.
Donna. Big up, you know. Always a show love, you know. So I share back, you know. Love every time. Big up, in all the Donna. Cross your all viewers, all subscribers. We love to see me, you know. Hope we live for so many more years. Many more years. Love straight. Dream team forever, you know. Love.
See, the dream team and team. Whoa.
Nice, Donna, you know. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy New Year. Yeah. New Year will come now, you know. Yeah, so, you know, I want to send my greetings to all of the donors, them, you know.
Yeah.
Enough love. Whole heap of blessings, you know.
Fan blessings.
Coming up. Listen, I said, whole heap of love, enough. What am I telling you, boy?
Too much.
What am I telling you?
Explain.
Boy, London, Toronto, New York, that's the thing there, you know.
Shit.
Yeah,
Not
man,
once,
on
but
the phone,
twice.
yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, man.
Not once, but twice.
Twice, me I tell you about. Nice, Donna. I tell you, nice, Donna.
See there. Nice, Donna. Everything nice. You know, for me, the worship, I tell you, say nice, you know.
Nice.
Everything.
Nice, look, I'm eat pumpkin rice.
Yeah.
And I have curry on the local side.
Yeah, and the
I
bacon.
have a little piece of bacon on the side, because I go hard.
Yeah, I have ackee.
Yeah, I have ackee.
I have ackee as well. From the side.
Yeah, this, you know. The ackee not really go for the team. I told somebody I work with the ackee.
Yeah.
Yeah, so a nice look. Beautiful look, you know. Some carrot and
You know.
should have cut up on it and thing, but we don't just do straight, you know.
You know.
Yeah,
Natural.
Marcus Gavin at them time because I might act in a salvage never round, you know.
No.
Just onion and the scale there, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just chop
Yeah,
it up,
natural
you know.
season.
Yeah, you know.
So most of the man all of them eat it.
Yeah.
Until the starfish will come in, you know, they will sell up Marcus Gavin for rice. Yeah, they will sell up Marcus Gavin for rice and them something there, you know. Peas and them something there. So boy, I tell the people, boy, so, you know, natural way I do it. Yeah, because boy, the ship company, the ship, boy, what the history? And the ship that be a dream team, I still not ship there.
I mean.
Let have it done, Bill, you know.
Yeah, so we finish build the ship for Marcus Garvey that building.
That ship there. I stop America. First we have America,
New York.
First we have stop.
So you first we let off.
Yeah, and party and done. You know.
Twice.
Who want to go Africa? The last part of the ship are going, you know. Africa, you know, because they go England, Canada, and then left and go Africa. You know, I repatriate and New York, I go.
No else what?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, wow, chef, see the blessings and give thanks, man. Give thanks to all my donors. Nice, then big up yourself. Much love, much thanks, you know, we give thanks. See me, wow, chef, feeling nice
New
today.
York people, you know.
Working in the kitchen, make it a working, man. The wow, chef, definitely. Go and kick it off like a ball. So yeah, there's a lot of chef them for go on.
Yeah, man.
Onto them business.
The rice, you see?
Yes, alright then. Dream team, one team.
One team. Dream team, you know. Any more team of four.
The fridge,
I go get the fridge this morning, bro.
the fridge come like it come from England, mate.
From London.
From London.
Yeah.
Colors,
You know, say all
colors.
of my friend them from airport and who use
Wait,
that work at the
so how
airport.
can I bling bling this?
Oh, this is what they put up on Christmas Day, bro.
Are you bling bling?
Yeah.
Jeez. All these colors, you know what I'm saying? You know what?
Shit here, everybody's talking about it, you know, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
But through the match Saturday, you couldn't get to come and view around here, man.
so wait there, so colors, the sheet of both, the right
Oh
of
my
B.
God, yeah. And
Last time
this
you
is
have
what I'm gonna put on tomorrow now.
Sure.
Yeah, we're gonna put on this one tomorrow.
But colors, but wait, the last time you have one On Louis Vuitton.
I want this to it was a blue one.
Oh, the one you have on B.
This is a red one.
So that this have on the B pan, so it's a Louis Beat man.
Yeah.
Oh, so that one name Louis Beat man.
Oh my gosh.
So what do you have on the Louis Vuitton?
Yeah.
And the one you shoot at the B, so you have Louis Beat man. Yeah, around big colors, Louis Beat man, bad. And the man standing in the fridge just arrived from the UK.
I want to big up my donors them, I can't forget you people, man.
I'm saying your colors, where this a bling it a blind the camera.
Oh, okay, see you want me like carry it up somewhere like this?
Yeah, alright. Cause show me not put on a glass on the camera yet.
Donors, this is Colors Cottage, y'all.
Beautiful.
You people supposed to feel proud of me, innit?
Of course, beautiful.
My God.
Get proud of the fridge, me not like colors. Whoa.
You don't get out the boxes, let's
No,
say.
well, see with the big Great Britain flag on it,
Well, I think,
England, mate. Is it Stephanie? Stephanie send this?
what is that?
Stephanie send it, the fridge.
No, I hustle the money out here, but I bought it.
I know.
Right here.
I know.
Yeah. So her boyfriend, he gonna run the light tomorrow, Kino. Yeah, so and then
nice standing in the fridge colors.
yeah, man. So here, he say he gonna get me. He gonna sell me. What you call it now? Something like what name the boots that? Like,
Okay.
yeah. He say he gonna see
One boots us just in case it not get leaked.
Yeah, he say he can.
The protector is a surge protector.
Yeah.
The surge
You
protector.
them wicked down there, at 14,000 I balance them. I give them 13. I know them wouldn't take it.
Then would it take it?
I can't believe. Licky was saying if probably if you or she down there, they would have taken it.
Yeah.
So I left stranded because I gave Hero $1,500 to take it up for me.
Yeah.
And I left stranded, bro, but you know what I mean, my name.
Yeah, colors, man. I use them colors, man. So you're still
you
blessed. The grateful part, you got the fridge now.
Yes,
We've
man.
been saving towards.
You know, Sal, when you come back around here in a Kino,
Sure. What am I gonna say?
for your thirsty and say the word. I said, Kino, go take what you want.
Yeah, open the fridge.
Yeah, bro.
Everything is in the fridge.
Oh my gosh.
So boy.
The amount of my friend them when I send the picture and them I say no colors.
So you have all your roots are be the snagger roots are be.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying, bro.
Sure.
So guess what now, Kino? I want to big up the donors them. Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year. I love you so much. That name wanna give me name colors? Oh my gosh.
Stop.
Oh my, right now, I'm not large, I'm luge. Yes, donors, I'm luge. That means when you give me colors. Yeah. Nobody call me Chucky no more in a Kino. I just like a very few people. If you don't say colors right now, you ain't saying nothing. Yeah, but
tell them again. If you don't say colors.
In the Christmas year, I don't really see nobody who watch the program. Cause normally, I know the proud of me, you know. Carla. Oliver, yeah, they must proud of me too.
Of course, them proud of you.
Yeah, and Stephanie from London, and all those donors from all over the globe.
Yeah, proud.
Well, right now, I'm living in style.
Of course, because as I say, you keep it up, you know.
Yeah.
You never run it down.
You're crazy, man.
And you try to help yourself.
Donors right now, I never want to lay down in a jacuzzi.
Yeah.
This is how you make colors living right now. Donors. Oh, can I stop talking about you guys? You know, the only thing I'm so sorry, I couldn't get near the donors them to put their feet in a tub and got them washed in, man. Yes, these people, look how they make me living like king. I never dream more that I live them type of life here, Kino. Trust me. And then I have to thank you too, Kino. Because if it wasn't you, oh my gosh, I would have still run here in the piece of smell bad foul club. You get what I'm saying, donors? Yeah, that smell bad foul club. Look at it now. Palace. Cottage. Oh my gosh.
Alright, them colors.
Yes,
so them see the update and so the colors get in fridge. Just touched down from England.
Yeah.
You know, see there?
Then
With the England flag. Yeah, so now you see the back, so next time you see me come on here,
Gosh.
the fridge stack out and you can see the fridge.
Oh my.
Right, colours?
Exactly, Kino.
Exactly.
Right.
So now you gotta start.
You like the sheet, Kino?
Yeah, man, Louis beat them hard, man. You see them, Louis beat them hard.
Nobody tell me, man.
I'm telling you, you're the last one, you have a Louis Vuitton.
Yeah, a blue one.
A blue one, but
Yeah.
through this other B now, you have Louis beat them on.
Well, my washer lady, she
Yeah.
got them washed this morning.
Okay.
And some clothes over there.
Yeah.
You know, banana.
Yeah.
Kino, money and money nothing of them girl, they said, Chuki, bring your clothes in my sheet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll wash them for you.
Real Kino. Man, I love you, Kino, man.
Big up
Can't stop
yourself,
big up,
man.
brother.
Nothing but love,
Yeah,
man.
man, I'm a donors them. My donors, I love them so much.
Yeah.
As I say my donors, I sorry me never dey near enough to have a foot in a pan and I wash them.
Oh.
Yes. Because look how we make colours living.
In style.
Just imagine, in style. Oh my gosh.
Colours are your cat, but just live in a style too.
Yeah, bro.
That cat are well cozy like you, Colours. Well living in style. See him there?
Donors, I love them, donors. Love them.
Alright then, your Colours.
Yeah, man.
Go and big up yourself.
I touch over the airport to come more, you know.
See there?
Yeah, because you know, say, I'm out of funds, you know, Kino, so.
You have to go work it up
Yeah,
right
man, I
now.
forgot. You get what I'm
Accumulate
saying?
back.
Yeah.
You know where it goes, man. Union Colours, you know.
Yeah, man.
From your bless, you're blessed, man.
I tell you, Kino, Virgin, for real. And Kino,
Yeah.
it's like anything I see what I want. From I tell God, say, I want it, it make me raise the money.
That's how it works, man.
Yeah.
That's how it
And
works.
from the people who watch me on your program, they come in and they say, yes, Colours. Yeah, man. Them say, yo, Colours, it's $20. Yeah. Boy.
Make it work.
Yeah, brother.
Alright then,
Yeah,
Colours.
Kino, man. So, here are donors. I'm signing out.
Out.
You get what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Love you all.
Out.
Yeah. So, Happy New Year tomorrow when it comes.
Alright.
Okay.
Out.
Yeah. What?
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.